Hello to HaveFuture YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how you can create many virtual websites within your Linux machine. So if you follow the previous video, you know how to create virtual machine in Azure, also how you can install, update and install, most important, the web server. Now I will show you how you can create different websites. Now I will log in first in our control panel for domain learn how to do. This is the place where we will create different names. So we will register domain and we will say if somebody try to reach this name, we'll go to our machine, Linux machine, wherever it is, in Amazon, in Azure, doesn't matter where it is. So first we have to go to my domain, DNS records. This is our domain name, which we have learnhowtodo.com. I'll create add a new record. I'll say I'm using learnhowtodo.com domain. This is my domain which I have, and I think okay, azure.learnhowtodo.com has to be record A, and it is asking for IP. If I go to my Azure control panel and I go to my virtual machine, this is the place where actually it's showed the public IP address. And this public IP address I'll copy, I'll transfer back to our hosting plan. Here it is. Copy paste just the IP address and I'll click add. So azure.learnhowtodo.com, type A and IP address on the public IP of your machine. Now everything is done. This is on the top here, azure.learnhowtodo.com, and it's pointing to our virtual machine, wherever it is, Azure, Amazon, Google. In a previous video I show you how you can create a connection with SSH, which is PUTTY. Click load. This is the same public IP address. I click open. It's asking me for the username. Okay, right. First we have to go to the place where it's located, where is location of the web pages. Just to show you briefly how it works, if I go to our azure.learnhowtodo.com, here it is. Actually, I'm loading the default page. Default page means that any domain name, if come here, will open the default after the installation Apache to Ubuntu default page. Now I will show you how actually you can create for this particular domain. Will open one page. You can create another domain and it will open on another page, and so on. You can create in this server many domain names, each one with different website. So how it works in PUTTY, I will go first to the place where are located this is the location of all web page. You see, I have a HTML folder, ls, and this is the file index.html. This is what it's opening our Apache default web page. Now I said, I don't want to anymore to open this HTML. I actually want to open something very different. So I'll create a special page. So it's a command sudo make directory. Okay, and I'm creating for www and now I'm selecting that I want to be Azure. Okay, this is the directory where I will create my new website. Okay, and here it is. I have one Azure. First, let me create a page. cd Azure. We're going inside of the folder. Let's create one web page. Sudo nano index.php, and we'll put directly the text. Welcome to our Azure page. Control O, saved, Control X. Okay, all commands you see on the bottom of the description of this video. So now the page is there. It's time to give permissions so our server can read. Oops. Okay, change mode 755 Azure. Okay, so now the web server can read from this website. The index.php has been created. Now we will go to the place when it's actually to show the Apache will have a new virtual web server. This is located of etc. Apache and sites available. How you can see, we have a 00 default. This is actually the default website which we just show with Ubuntu Apache default web page. Okay, sudo cp cp 000 default to azure.config. Okay, so now I have azure.config file, which is we have to edit it. Sudo azure.config nano editor. We'll use nano editor, and here it is. The changes which we have to make is a server admin to be webmaster at azure.learnhowtodo.com, the HTML, and we create Azure folder. So this is everything what you have to do, nothing actually special. And on the top, how you can see server name, that's the important part. You're removing the dash here and you're putting actually that when azure.learnhowtodo.com, when somebody asking for azure.learnhowtodo.com or whatever is your domain name, will go to the web page with var www.azure and will look the default website there. This is a server name, and that's everything looks good. But what if you want to type www.azure? So for this one, you just putting server alias www.azure.learnhowtodo.com. So you can put a different server alias. So all this email under the server alias will go to this folder. Just to show you options. Control O, Control X. This is enabling the website. It's coming with the command A to in site, like enabling site, space, and this is our config, which is azure.config. So if I press enter, it's look, everything's fine. You have to reload or restart the Apache. So I will reboot the Apache. Service Apache 2, restart. If everything is fine, it will not give you error. If something is wrong, it will give you error. How you can see here, it's saying that could not reliably determine the server fully qualified domain name. Set the server name directory globally to suppress this message. Now we do have our website, and if we go to the website azure.learn how to do, before was the default page, but if I refresh here, welcome to our Azure page, everything is fine. If I go to our IP address, just to show you the difference, you still have the default page open, but you have also the second. So you can create as many websites as you want. You need only one web server and the DNS records which you can point for every single domain. And inside of the virtual machine which you have, you actually pointing each domain to go to different website directory place. This is everything what I wanted to show you today. Thank you to be with HaveFuture. Today's took a little longer, but I think it's useful enough for you. Have a good day and come back again to watch HaveFuture YouTube channel.